Yo, bro, this is too crazy. This place looks fun.
I told you that.
I ain't gonna know it's gonna be like this.
I told you. You know that.
I'll be alright. It was just that
Remember when
turn.
we was in Savannah? You know how they do it like that.
This one different though. The one in Atlanta was down in the under.
EWALK stops at these exits. Follow the signs to baggage claim A.
So we gotta get on for they go down to 2, right? You make it straight. Yeah, I think it do, but we still gotta make sure we're here early.
So y'all, Miami in the hotel. You see what's going on. We're on the cruise with it. With the fam. Yeah. And the fit we go. I don't know where we got this from. Watch. Change. Bracelet. Bracelet. 4. Shit going on. Gonna roll. Oh, my fault, y'all. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy EWALK, and I'm back in this video.
Walking fresh as fuck, walking through the club. TP in my cup, got me turned up. Shawty turn left, tryna get crushed.
Back with y'all latest video. Hey, we is on a cruise right now, as I said. But yeah, this is the room. It's a little tour of the room. And all fruits like mangoes. You dig?
Is this your first cruise?
No, that's not mine, it's his.
Hi.
Hi.
His first kiss.
How you doing, sir?
I heard you're 21.
Yeah, thank you.
Big guy. Strong guy.
So you guys have fun. And I hope they can take care of your room for you.
I'm sure they can. All you gotta do is take the sofa out.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, you guys
Rochester, New
enjoy.
York.
Yeah.
Plenty of snow.
Where you
Yeah.
from? Where you from?
Boston.
Boston.
Okay, Boston. Yeah.
Great. Wonderful. And we retired. I bought a home in Tampa Bay.
Yeah.
And Tom Brady
Yeah.
played in Tampa.
That's
Oh,
so nice,
wow.
right?
Every year.
Okay.
I got season tickets there.
Oh,
Was you
okay.
there when they won the championship?
Yeah.
You
But
was?
that was the year of COVID. No
Yeah.
fans. You
Right.
couldn't go to the
Oh, yeah.
I had tickets. I
Oh,
couldn't go to anything this year. They win by 7 points, 10 points. Just a,
I know.
she's a Bills fan too. She wants
Yeah, we're Bills.
she wants Josh Allen to win too.
Yeah.
Well, I want him to win, or who's the other one that I want to win? Josh Allen is
Buffalo.
Buffalo.
You see it?
Is it possible I can get it? Oh, my fault. It's the black one over there.
This one?
No, the
this
one other.
This one?
First one right there.
This one? That one?
Yep.
Sorry, you said that.
I'm sorry about that.
Oh, she was.
Or is it? Oh, this is mine. Okay.
No, that's gonna be yours.
Thank you, man.
That's yours?
Yeah, I found it.
Oh, you thought it was there?
Yeah. Yeah, you got the luggage. Y'all. Some of the snow is out here though. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's beautiful though. Yo, bro, this is too crazy. Yo, wait. Yo, I'm mad scared of this cruise though. Yo, this cruise look crazy, bro. It's in the middle of nowhere though. What the hell? Huh? Nah, I'm on this shit already. You on it? Yeah, I'm waiting for it to take off. Damn. This looking boring. I need a friend on a cruise, bro. This junk is boring. Fan cool, but
You want to go?
I ain't gonna have to maximize the fun. I'm not gonna maximize my fun if I'm just by myself in this room, bro. I gotta find a friend, bro. Drink, do I just buy it like right here or do I have to use my card?
Yeah, you have to use your card every night.
Okay.
We charge your on board account.
Okay, thank you. I gotta do this. I need a drink, bro. That's the quickest way to get me loose and no free.
The way we gonna do it, because it don't make sense for mommy to get the plan.
Yeah.
Because she don't drink. So me and Cassandra get it for our round, then you basically just drink off us because it's unlimited.
So I can't, I gotta.
You know, I did all about myself, and I just told mommy she gotta let you go. So as long as you where we need to be at when it's time to eat, we good.
Yeah.
We get up, everybody go to breakfast, we meet up for lunch, and then we meet up for dinner. Dinner is at 8:30.
I can feel the boat. I'm like, I can feel the boat. I can feel the boat. You don't feel it?
Yeah, I feel it a little
I
bit.
feel the boat. You hear what I said? I can feel the boat. I don't wait.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
What's your name on? Yeah, he didn't give your passport? Oh. Do I have to sign it?
No, I already signed it. I did it already, Mom.
What?
I did it already.
What you did?
I signed it already.
I want you, I'm going to teach you something real good. What this says. Let me start teaching you right now.
Alright. I can make my signature smaller, faster. Huh? Nah, that's rum punch. It's not like that.
They will put on there 15, because they're at it themselves. Because you didn't add it. I understand what I'm saying. Don't ever do that again. No place you go. I don't even care if you was in Rochester. If you're in Rochester, you do that every time you do that when it says tip. You toss it out. Remember I do that at the restaurant? Toss it out and I leave them. You understand what I said to you? Don't ever do that again. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. You know how to do it? You know how this works?
I know. It took me a minute. Do you have
Okay.
a card from your room?
Do you need card or can I use cash?
That card, but do you have that card from your room?
Yeah.
Okay. You put, I just had to ask somebody.
Oh, so that's how you have to do
You
it.
put it right here.
Okay.
Up against that.
And that's what it does.
And then it'll say
So it won't do my
that.
other card.
Now here we go. See,
Oh,
card
thank
accepted.
you.
Welcome,
So that's
Arlington.
the card I got here. Okay,
And then I
thank
put
you.
my money in?
And then you put your money in right there.
Okay, thank you, man. Ooh! Is it the line or is it this right here?
No, you get paid when you get it. You hear the thing. I stopped at that 50. I should have stopped at that.
I want to see
Nah, it didn't be that bad. It did. 50 cents, yeah.
So when I say bar, I lost. Oh! I don't know. Shot, cash out?
What did you say?
Yeah, I want to go.
You don't have this thing down.
First? The string back.
Features, please just make sure that the brightness of your personal device is the lowest possible.
Is he a part of it?
Look at him. You see here? Stay real good, don't it?
Oh, this one.
Okay.
This place looks tough. What, you about to buy that?
Yeah, I want that. I'm gonna put that on. You gotta charge in my room, right?
Alright, as soon as I fit up, this is damn late. I guess I'm gonna just go to a little clubby call, get a little drinky drink, get my sister. You know what I'm saying? It's just party for a little second. I don't know nobody. We gonna see if I can meet new people, meet some friends. It's not deck 14. I guess I should go to deck. It says deck 14. That's where it's at. Why the hell do I get to deck 14? I'm just gonna go to deck 12. Let's see if I can get to 14 by there. Let's see. Nightclub. I'm nervous and shit.
We're gonna do the basic step. To the left. Take it back now, y'all.
Hello, sir.
Run out this track.
ID.
Right foot, let's go. Run out this track. Slide to the right. Crisscross.
Oh! Fun bitches coming in and out every day. You cannot catch me even on my worst day. Yeah, we got Glock 9s and FNs where we lay. Yeah, get real. You probably won't forsake. They them checks being made. We cash out every